Nissan Altima 2013 customer complaint. The car stopped suddenly in the way. The car engine is cranking but no start. You can see engine crank but no start. Let's check code, OBD code. Scan the car and see the result. There any OBD code? No DTC. There is no problem in showing in the scanner. Let's check manually. Select in the scanner live data and see engine speed and also check spark step by step. This is engine speed. I select engine speed live data. When I crank the engine, the crank sensor rotation is working good, but there is no spark. No spark. Now I will second time I check ignition coil, power and ground. Pin 1 is B positive ignition and pin 2 for ground, and pin 3 signal from the engine ECM to engage the ignition coil. I put the tester in B positive and check ground. Ground is good. And now check the positive, pin number 1. There is no positive in pin number 1. This is the problem. White wire, pin number 1, no positive. This is the IPD meter. Inside the IPD meter, ignition fuse. This fuse is blown. This is the ignition fuse. What is the reason to blow this fuse, to damage this fuse? We check step by step. First I remove the fuse and fix another one. If blown again, then I will check step by step where is the short circuit. This is the location for ignition fuse, ignition coil fuse. I remove and check. It's blown. This is 15 ampere fuse. The fuse does not burn itself. There must be a short somewhere in the circuit. This is the connector for ignition coil, white wire, pin number 1, somewhere short. The last pin red wire. This is for signal for ECM, and the center one negative. I found the short. Cam sensor screw touch with the white wire and short the wire. This is the area to create the problem. This is the main problem. You can see this is the problem. Thank you for watching. Start.